Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. Look for the three vertical dots icon, usually found in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, simply select the option labeled Settings to proceed to the next step. This will open a new tab with all your browser's configuration options. Once you are in the Settings tab, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu with various categories. Find and click on the option labeled Languages. This action will expand a section dedicated to language preferences, allowing you to view and manage the languages Chrome currently uses or has available. Take a moment to observe your current settings. Now, to add a new language, click the Add Languages button. A new window will appear, presenting an extensive list of available languages. Select the language you wish to add, then click Add. Once added, you can prioritize it. Click the three vertical dots next to your newly added language and choose Move to the top or Move up to adjust its position in the list. For the final step, click the three vertical dots next to the language you want Chrome to display in. From the options that appear, select Display Google Chrome in this language. A prompt will then appear, asking you to relaunch your browser. Click the Relaunch button to apply all the changes immediately. Your Chrome browser will now restart and display in your chosen language.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.